Okay, just realized a stupid thing I did. In order to be able to get to the internal storage in the normal way for a non-jailbroken iPhone, you have to have the USB cable attached. So I'm kind of on a short tether here shooting my monitor screen on an angle. I was doing a test because of the new alleged Zimmerman bloody head photo to see if you could write back a modified photo image file to an iPhone. So I've downloaded a picture that I just took this afternoon, and I modified a picture of my coffee that I'm having right now, which is quite good. Nice warm coffee. Instant coffee, but hey, I like it. Anyway, I modified the photo. I'm not modifying the metadata because I don't have an editor yet to do that. But I just want to see if I could just Photoshop it. This isn't exactly Photoshop. It was Windows Paint. But that's all I needed to put something in the image. Some nice red bloody coffee cup words. I hope I spelled coffee right. I think I missed an F. Oh God, they're going to get me for this. Anyway, I put coffee cup kind of in the image and save that back to my desktop, and then I'm going to try to write that file back to the iPhone with the normal like flash drive that they give you on your computer as soon as you plug in your USB cable. And you'll notice that I get the Ghostbuster symbol, the don't do this or you can't do this kind of thing. So I can't with the normal method that a regular iPhone user that wasn't jailbroken would do. I can't write the file back. My phone is jailbroken, however, and I have shell access. So I've done a search trying to find that folder that they give you by default, but it's an obscured, not an actual folder name. So somehow Apple is actually mapping that folder name, 823 WGTMA in my case for this one folder, where the images are, to what is the actual folder. So I tried searching for that in a secure shell, an SSH terminal command prompt connection. That's an IP connection to the phone, which is pretty cool. Can't find 823 WGTMA. I tried twice, actually copied and pasted. Can't get there. So let me look for the image file so you can tell me where that is, and guess what? It can. I never remember where this folder is, so I'm going to try to copy that, and hopefully in the SSH file transfer window, it will let me stick that right there. Yes, and I don't want to write to the image file, I just want the folder, so I'm going to back up a little bit, and whammy, that should put me right there. Okay, now, I wonder if I can sort that by modified in that secure file transfer, SSH file transfer mode, modified, 1106, you don't seem to be exactly letting me, yeah it is. Okay, somehow I just shot a movie. Oh, that's me shooting this movie. Sorry. Thinking out loud here. Image 1106.jpg, and I'm in secure shell file transfer, like secure copy mode. Let's see if I can drag that back there. Oh, I get asked if I want to confirm an overwrite. Oh boy. Guess what? Okay, you could do it on a jailbroken iPhone. You can write a file back. So with an EXIF, I think it's called EXIF metadata editor, you could modify the Latin long, time, etc. Another question that begs being asked is, when I did that, did I get the old time of 3:28 p.m. or did I get a new timestamp? Okay. It's 3:46 p.m. so I got 3:43. Because another thing that I'm thinking is that if you write the file back, does it give it a new timestamp? This is 11:06. Here's the file, image underscore 11:06. That looks like an... Okay, well that's the time that I edited on the computer, probably 34. I guess I took 10 minutes to do this work here to get logged in. I think it is taking the new timestamp. So, begs the question. You'd have to do a little bit more work to be a perfect crime. You'd have to have a jailbroken phone, download the file to your computer, modify it, and modify the exit data if you're going to do that. Have secure shell with secure file transfer, log in from your computer, and then push that file back to the phone and confirm overwrite, and then you'd have a problem of the timestamp in the phone. It would be different than what it was originally. Different date, different time. If there were days apart, I'm only minutes apart here, so it's kind of hard for me to see granularly how much has changed. But yeah, that was a new file date time stamp. This has probably got 11:35. They're not even giving me the time on here. Giving me how many minutes ago. They've got the metadata in here as well. It looks like. Yeah, date created, date modified, 3:34 p.m. and that was after it was created on the phone. So, new date timestamp from the modification, pushing it back to the phone. It would actually get the new date timestamp, which would ruin your modification unless you went further. And I don't remember exactly what the commands are in Unix, but I believe it might be possible to change that date timestamp back to something it was earlier if you wanted to. So maybe that's for another video or whatever, but I think you can do that. But bottom line here is it would take a very knowledgeable IT type of person, not just a typical iPhone user. So if the guy works in aviation, I doubt he knows how to do all of this. And the other question that I beg is, why would you want to? Why would the guy that took the picture want to modify the picture, modify the exit data? He probably lives right there, so you can't say he wasn't there. He modified it. He couldn't have been, well, he lives right there. So it's kind of hard to say that he modified it. Maybe somebody else modified it, but that can all be verified. So the debunking of the photo of Zimmerman's head is going to be a rough one for those that want to debunk it. I wish you luck. Thanks for watching. Alan Spicer, also known as KA4UDX, signing off.